Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Plate frame as I do. Soundtracks.
That's nice. It's better on the readable.
This guy is on the bro, he's driving in the wrong direction.
Yeah, why is he on the other side?
Bro,
Oh my god.
Yo, this guy is so dumb.
Just be careful.
Oh my god.
Is he like drunk or something?
Yeah, what's going on?
Bro just came out of Valetta's drinking.
Is that a woman?
It's a woman.
She's a
Why is she? Why was she driving on the other side of the road?
Oh, it's an old lady.
She's not even that
I
old.
did not shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff. I didn't shoot the deputy. Reflections got the better.
Go! You f***ing idiot! God! Oh, for fuck! God!
Whoa! Which is why I wanted you to do it.
Yo, there's 30 of the worms coming at you right now.
That is exactly how I play.
Okay,
No,
but I can't believe that because only one worm can be spawned at one time.
Okay, Garmin, video.
You look kid, be yourself. If you don't mind, I'm not gonna be nice. Is that okay?
Trump was accompanied by his running mate, Senator J.D. Vance. It's only the second rally where they appear together in a week.
Idiot.
Okay, Garmin, save video. What the f are you doing? Nice. Okay, Garmin, save videos.
Railroad tracks. That's along that, you know, huge ugly wall with the elevated railroad track there. And this detective, he's okay. He was last reported in stable condition, last I heard. But he was shot, I think it was 3 times. He was shot multiple times in the leg, trying to...
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.